Oh, it's me, Mario, and me, Luigi. We are in our room today. It's hailing outside. Yep, so we can't go out. And our dad, Mom won't let us out of our room. So, what do you want to do, Luigi? I want to crash a helicopter. Okay, Luigi, are you ready? Yeah. Whee! Oh, that was fun. Yeah. What do you want to do now? I want to not look at the camera. Okay. I'm looking at the camera. What happened today gave our dad an idea for a me. It's going to be called Hail. So, there is
the helicopter's back for revenge.
Oh my God! It crashed again. So, what do you want to do now? I want to explode. Boom.
You grandsons, you may not go outside today.
Yeah, baby. Now, time to go get Luigi. 1 up. I feel better.
And you cannot drink 1 up either, because it is very dangerous. It's alcohol.
That's not the 1 up I was talking about. I was talking about the 1 up from my games. The mushroom 1 up. God.
Oh. Well, you're not allowed to play video games. Buzz Lightyear for the rescue. What's troubling you boys?
Hi, Buzz Lightyear. Oh, Julie.
No air. I'm gonna die. No air.
Yeah. Yay, what do you want to do now? Go see what... I want to go watch people play chess.
How about you boys go? How about you read a book?
No, we're watching them play chess.
Hey, y'all! Checkmate.
Ultimate.
Do you want to play again?
Yeah. Awesome, grandsons.
You can play with them.
Just die. Get out of this video.
Dude, you just blew up your playdate.
No, I didn't.
Play with Katie. That's who you're here. That's why she's here.
Who's Katie? Katie.
Okay.
It'll have her name in the cast if this
fighting.
movie maker works.
Zelia, are they bothering you? Would
Yes.
you rather them go play someplace
What?
else?
I'm just watching her play chess. I know,
Okay, but don't interfere with the game, okay? They're playing.
Okay.
You and Katie can do
But
something else.
what if she says I'm bothering her when I'm not even saying a word?
Well, if your being here is bothering her, that's for her to judge, not for you to judge. But, is Katie having fun?
Yes.
Watching you videotape?
Yeah, because I'm in the video.
Okay.
If the movie
do
maker
you know how
works,
to set up
she'll
a
be in
board?
the cast.
Okay, I just need
Okay,
you guys.
so
I just need
put
you guys to
one of your
remember.
castles
Katie
here.
and Tessa are the guests. You need to make sure they're
Both
having
your
fun.
castles
Not
in the
them,
corner.
not you. Do I have Luke and
No,
Kelly's
that's-
attention? Okay.
So these bubbles, they all go in the second row. The castles go here, but you're missing the castle.
What are you doing? Videotaping.
And then the horses go next to
I think we're
the
done now.
castle things.
Okay.
I can see you right the
there.
bubble giant ones
Get back into your
that
room
look like
this
there.
instant. Okay, that is it.
Go.
That is it. Luigi, you stay there. Stay right there, Luigi. Mom, there's part of my video I'm doing that I'll need something in the drawer for.
What?
It's that Wii gun.
The Wii gun's not a toy, sweet pea.
I'm not gonna use it as a toy. I'm just gonna go, not pull the trigger or anything.
When you came back into my life,
Are you still recording?
Yes.
Stop.